Hey, good morning, ladies and gents. Happy Monday. Hopefully, you guys all got out and enjoyed the beautiful weekend that we had. I got up early both Saturday and Sunday, snuck down to the beach, got my toes wet, went for a little jog on the sand, and oh man, I can't tell you, it filled my soul. I'm feeling like I can continue on again. All right. Hopefully, you guys got out and about and enjoyed the weekend as well. So we're going to continue analyzing data today. If you click on the link, it's going to take you to the data page for Orange County. Here we've got COVID-19, economy, health, diversity, education, housing, and living. We're going to be going through most of these, but for today, I want you to select diversity. So when you hit diversity, I'm going to scroll past age, heritage, and citizenship to race and ethnicity. Here in this chart, you can see we've got the percentage over on this side, and then the categories of race. White alone, Hispanic or Latino, Asian alone, two or more races, Black or African American alone, Native Hawaiian and other Pacific Islander, American Indian, and then some other race. Now, I also want you to notice, see, you can click on each one of the races here. But the big thing here I want you to notice is that we can change the data by years. So this goes from 2013 to 2018. And what I want you to do is I want you to compare what the race and ethnicity in Orange County from 2013 to 2018. If you want to include the years in between in your analysis, feel free. But I want you to analyze what happened in Orange County from 2013 to 2018 when it comes to race and ethnicity. You're going to type that up in a Google Doc. Once you've got it all finished, upload it through Canvas, and that's that, ladies and gents. Hope you guys have a great Monday.